Welcome to this detailed breakdown of Frase.io. According to their website, Frase positions itself as the leading Agentic SEO and GEO platform, meaning it's designed to not just help you but actually do the work of researching your market, creating optimized content, and tracking your visibility. The core promise here is moving away from a patchwork of tools like SEMrush for research, Jasper for writing, and Surfer for optimization, and instead consolidating everything into one AI agent with over 80 specialized skills. So how does it actually work? The platform breaks down into a few key workflows. First, there is the research phase. You can ask the AI to analyze competitors for a specific term, like cloud storage comparison, and within 30 seconds it analyzes the top 10 search results, identifies content gaps, and generates a detailed SEO brief complete with an outline and topic targets. Second, there is the creation and optimization feature. Frase offers a real-time editor where your content score climbs as you write. A unique selling point here is the dual scoring system. It tracks both your SEO score for Google and your GEO score for AI engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity, ensuring you structure and cite your content in a way that AI platforms prefer. Frase offers three main tiers. The starter plan is priced at $49 per month and is designed for solo content creators, giving you full access to the AI agent with 80 skills, but it limits you to 10 AI-optimized articles per month. AI visibility tracking on only 2 platforms, 1 domain. The professional tier costs $129 per month and is what most teams start with, expanding your limits to 40 articles per month, 5 domains, 3 user seats included, and AI visibility tracking across 3 platforms. Finally, the scale plan is aimed at agencies and high-volume teams at $299 per month, offering 100 articles, 10 domains, 5 seats, and visibility tracking on 5 platforms, with additional features like multi-channel content creation and data exports. All plans allow you to add extra articles, seats, or pages if you need more volume, and you can save 20% by switching to an annual billing cycle. See you later in my new videos.